Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can join a community of people that are using AI, using um, the possibility of the digital world we are in today to make an extra income for themselves. So this site is called Digital Boss Academy. I will take you through some of the things that we have on this site. Um, so over here, we've got we've got a lot of information on how you can get access on how to create, set up your own online store. You can get to know how to write a story selling playbook, how to create your own crash course, how to create affiliates, and how to launch your own business using this same site that I am showing you. On this site, we also have you'll be given information on how to create a digital marketing. So you'll be trained how to make use of digital marketing to create an extra income for yourself. How you also be trained on how you can build a bomb brand. So if you have always been looking for how to create a brand for yourself, on this site you'll be given the access to doing that. So we have quite a lot of information on this website. How to market your brand, the information is also there. And on, as you can see, scrolling down, we have volume 1, 2, 3, and under each volume it includes information on how you can have secure for yourself multiple sources of income. So I'll be taking you through each volume in a minute. I just want to take you through some of the few things that we still have on this site. We have the as I mentioned earlier, you're not going to be alone when you join this community. There's always weekly, if not daily, um, Zoom meetings and Zoom calls, like on how you can improve your brand, how you can improve in creating your brand, in marketing your brand, and um, there's also information on how you can avail of ChatGPT. Um, there's a lot of things that ChatGPT can do now, but on this site, it will be giving you more information, more fundamentals on how you can use ChatGPT to create profit and extra income for yourselves. We also have all things beauty. On this link, it shows you um, information on how, if you have always looked for means to create beauty as if you're looking to create beauty as your resources, as your brand, you have information on how to do that. On this site, we also have information on social media, mastering social media, and how you can use social media to create to market your product, to create extra income for yourself. And we have the private label right. So if you're looking to create your brand, on this site, it gives you information on the rights that you have. It gives you information on the best way to go about it to create your private label rights. If you are looking to set up an e-commerce brand, for example a beauty brand, this link over here will give you information on how to do that. It will give you information on how to launch a $1 million beauty product and an e-com store online. So as you can see so far, in this community, you have access to various information. You have access to vi- um, uh, various links in how to set up your own brand, how to set up your own business. And the good thing with this site is you are not alone. You have you are able to um, get access to, to people that can help you further. So it's not a situation whereby you'll be left alone to do everything yourself. If at all there's a situation you find yourself stuck in doing anything, you can always get back into the community, in which I'll be showing you in a minute in how to do that, and ask questions. There are so many people within this community that are able to help you in the event that you are stuck in creating your business, or maybe you have you need to request for further information. There are people that are willing to help with that. So we have more resources such as stocks and crypto. If you're into that, this community will give you information on how you can leverage stocks and crypto to create extra income for yourselves. um, we have done for you content to promote how to promote your brand. So it's a done for you content. You just, it's a matter of leveraging that information to be able to promote your product and your brand. Over here we have within this community those that have uh, the- been able to create um, a lot of wins for themselves. They've been able to have leverage this platform to create a good source of income for themselves. As I mentioned earlier, you're not alone within this community. When you join this community, you have access to people worldwide across the globe that are able to help you to create your chosen brand, and are able to help you further. If you are into content creation, there's a link for Content Vault. It gives you information on how to create your own content. It also gives you information and inspiration on content creation. If you're into having your own merch, like your own clothing brand, there is also information for that. So as you can see so far, there's quite a lot and a lot and a lot of information. We have the real estate. If you're looking to learn Spanish, if you're looking to learn French, there's information for that. There's a lot of information on how to gain access to this community, and I'll be showing you quickly how you can access so the over here, as you can see above, we have the community. So when you decide to join this platform, you have the community over there. It shows, so there's a people that are able to help. They're able to help you. As you can see, a lot of people that have made use of this platform to be able to gain access, to be able to help themselves. And so yeah, there's quite a lot of people here that are able to help. As you can see over here, you know, it's you're not alone. You are not alone. You And even every day there's uh within this community there's also morning prayer. If you're a Christian person, you have access to morning prayer as well. You get information. You have access to a lot of people that have been able to that can help you further. In order to gain access to this, you just need to click the link